What is your wish?
My wish is Mimi Mato. Happy birthday, Georgie. Happy birthday, Georgie. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Georgie. I love you, Georgie.
I love you, Georgie. Happy birthday.
Hi, Georgie. Happy 3rd birthday. May you have a good one and stay healthy, stay beautiful, and continue to be a good girl. Have a great day. Mwah.
Happy birthday to our amazing birthday girl, Georgie. You're a blessing to your mom and dad. May God continue to bless you and give you more and more birthdays to come. God bless. Ate I loves you.
Hi, cutie Georgie. Happy third birthday. Happy birthday, Georgie. So, oh my gosh, time so fast. As I remember when you are inside and your mommy, tummy, every time food what she wants, she order or she cook, we are the one who eats. So, but that's our secret. So, if your mom wants lechon, she orders. So, and me and Tita Evelyn who eat and who bring back home. So, may bisita siyang nakikikain at nagte-take out always. And then, I remember also, it's your first birthday. So, I celebrate your first birthday and I am so happy and glad that your mom gonna invite us and your daddy. So, wishing you a happy birthday always. Keep healthy. Be safe with your mommy and dad. So, always be humble until you're growing up, until you're gonna be teenager or dalaga. So, always be maganda like your mama and your tita. So, you have no choice. I'm your Tita Remy. So, but happy birthday. Always love your mama and papa or your mommy and daddy. Okay, I love you, sweetie cutie Georgie. Happy birthday.
Birthday, Georgie.
Okay, thank you. Happy birthday, gorgeous Georgie. Wishing you a good health always. God bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Georgie. Happy birthday to you.
Say happy birthday, Georgie.
Happy birthday, Georgie. Happy birthday, Georgie. We miss you. Happy birthday, Georgie. I miss you. I hope I can play with you soon. My birthday is after your birthday.
Hi, Georgie girl. So, kakantahan na lang kita. So, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Georgie. Happy birthday to you. So, ang wish lang ni Tita Wency na nasa mabuti ka palagi ang kalusugan at maiwas sa anumang mga sakit and stay healthy and blessed with your family. And I'm very thankful na nakilala ko kayo dito sa YouTube. So, be happy always and be a good girl, baby girl. Happy 3rd birthday sa'yo. So, God bless you and your family. Stay healthy always. This is your Tita Wency. Bye-bye!
Hi Georjess. Hi my love. This is not Roxy. This is Popcorn. Come on, show him Show from. This is popcorn. There. Hi, Georjess again. Hi, beautiful girl. It's your birthday today, right? So I just want to say happy birthday to you. I'm sorry for a bare naked face. I just woke up. And actually, Roxy wants to say happy birthday to you, but she's still sleeping right now. But I just want to say again, Georgie, you are so blessed. You have a very wonderful parents. I hope I get to meet you soon there, and enjoy your day and be good girl always. You are so blessed, and I pray for always good health and guidance and wisdom from the Lord to you, Georgie. See you soon, Georgie. Meow.
Hi Georgie, happy birthday to you. I am wishing you today a happy birthday, and I am praying that you will become a good daughter, will become a successful woman with respect to your parents and to others. I hope to see you soon. Enjoy your day with your parents and God bless. And yun lang. Thanks, Georjess.
Hello everyone! This is Marge Life TV. So ngayon mag-greet pala ako sa aking ka-birthday na si Georjessxx channel. So ngayon this August 24. So birthday din niya at saka birthday ko rin. Kasabay pala kami ng birthday. So mag-greet ako sa iyo ng happy birthday. I wish your dream come true and stay pretty and stay cool and God bless. So magkakanta ako kahit hindi ako marunong kumanta. So happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ingat ka palagi, Georjessxx channel, and God bless. Tayo ay pala ay magkasabay ng birthday. So, thank you so much sa YT nakilala kita. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Georgie. Happy birthday, Georgie. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Georgie. Say happy birthday, Georgie. Say, na, Alina.
See?
Happy birthday.
Happy day?
Na happy birthday.
Yeah.
Say happy birthday.
Hey.
Say happy birthday, Georgie.
Georgie.
Love you.
Love you.
Say happy birthday, Georgie. We love you.
Love
Bye.
you. Bye.
Wish you a good health, baby Georgie. Happy birthday. Long life, stay health and beautiful. Happy birthday. Bye.
So,
Gawas mo dia.
Sabak, wi?
Okay. Kanal. 1, 2.
Happy birthday, Georgie. We love you.
Happy birthday, Georgie! Kanang naotpaday nga, daghan pang makakatuigan mo dangat sa imong kinabuhi. Naot pa, Georgie, nga magtubo ka magbuotan. Matinahoron ka sa imong mami ug daddy. Naot pa, Georgie, nga hangtod sa hangtod nga sa imong pag-eskwela, inutan ka nga mo ilapod ka sa imong apuhan. Naot pa, Georgie, nga way mga katalagman nga mudangat sa imong kinabuhi.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, darling Georgie. Happy birthday to you. Hope you have a wonderful day, darling. And Milo says happy birthday too. Yes, he does. Yeah. Bye.
Georgie,
Whose birthday tomorrow?
Georgie.
How old are you tomorrow?
3.
3. Are you gonna sing happy birthday?
Happy birthday
To me, happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, dear Georgie. Happy birthday to me.
What is your wish?
My wish is maybe my toy on my tent. My wish is with my mommy and daddy and my friends time out because they're going to bed and brush our teeth and they'll go outside toss. I spill my pajamas on it, toss. I make a wish, Ma.
That's fantastic. You're making a wish.
Yes.
What are you wishing for?
3.
You're wishing for 3.
I love you all.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.
Have a good day.
Have a good day.